Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. So in order to activate your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser and type in dippak.com/index/php Visa debit card. I'm going to leave the link on my description box below. And here you'll be taken to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, you'll be able to find all of the information regarding how you can go and apply for the Visa signature debit card, all of that. And to activate your Visa or to activate it, you just have to follow this prompt. So first thing, you could go and download your mobile app from your Play Store or an App Store. And next, you could go for the Internet Customer Bank and log into your internet account. After successfully validations of login credential, customers can go to the activation card or deactivate options, and then the OTP is going to be sent. So through that, you could go ahead and follow the prompt, and accordingly, you'll have successfully activated Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. So that is how you can activate your Dubai Islamic Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.